bater. Não viu?
Não, não, não.
Olha aí. Ai, meu Deus.
Vai descer. Tem força pra isso? Não tem força pra isso.
Não, tem não. Olha aí. A pessoa conseguiu sair.
Nossa de hoje. Nossa Senhora.
Blazer lá. Você blazer? Abrir. Não, por causa da altura, né? Mais alta é blazer lá.
Brazil declared a state of emergency on Thursday, January 16, 2025. In less than 12 hours, severe storms and rainfall ranging from 100 to 170 millimeters triggered severe flooding in several areas, including the municipalities of Balneario Camboriu, Florianopolis, Camboriú, Governor Celso Ramos and Tijucas in the state of Santa Catarina.
Ah, vai bater na ponte, acabar quebrando a ponte. Meu Deus do céu.
The flooding turned streets into raging rivers and swept away vehicles helplessly. Florianopolis was one of the cities severely affected, impacting the lives of residents and thousands of tourists. Markets and businesses were inundated, forcing some people to stay at their workplaces.
Não entendo o que essas pessoas querem fazer na água, né?
O carro levou. Ai, meu Deus. Ai, meu Deus. Olha o outro carro. Vem pra cá, vem pra cá. Vem pra cá. Ai, meu Deus do céu. Olha lá. Ai, que dó, cara. Que dó.
Major roads such as Avenida Beira-Mar Norte and SC 401, which connect downtown Florianopolis to the northern part of the island, were submerged and became difficult to pass. As a result, traffic slowed down significantly, with many vehicles floating as they tried to cross the floodwaters. Authorities urged residents to stay off flooded streets and remain in safe locations until conditions improve.
Tomara que estejam todos eles que tenham, né, seguro para não perder o carro. Meu Deus, tenha misericórdia, Senhor Jesus, tenha misericórdia.
The critical situation was also evident in Balneario Camboriu and Santo Antônio de Lisboa. People were trapped in their homes as severe flooding submerged entire neighborhoods, including Estados, Barra, Vila Real, São Judas, Estelero, Estelarinho, and Taquaras. Meanwhile, a road collapse caused a vehicle to fall into the gap, though fortunately, the driver was unharmed.